Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PHP on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here PHP download. Just simply go to the official site of PHP. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of PHP version 8.5.8 is released and it is available to be downloaded. So simply scroll down and you will see this non-thread safe option and then thread safe as well. So you need to download this thread safe one. So simply click on the zip file and that's going to immediately start downloading your latest version of PHP. Once downloaded, just simply click on this folder. You can see this is our latest version of PHP version 8.5.4. So you simply right click and click on extract all and click on extract. You can see it's rightly extracted. Just simply go inside that folder. You can see all files and folders inside over here. So all you need to do now is you need to rename this. You need to rename to little shorter, something like PHP and then just the version number. And now you can just right click and cut and go to your C drive and just simply paste it up over here. That's it. Now you go inside. You select this path, then right click and copy this path. Now you go to search and type environ. That will give you edit the system environment variable. Open that. Click on environment variables. Then click on path and click on edit. Here you just simply click on new and then right click and paste that PHP path over here. Now click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. You can close this folder now and your browser as well. So now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt, if you just simply type php space dash version and hit enter, it's going to give you this prompt. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed your PHP. Now it's time to do a bit of coding. So I'll write a simple PHP code snippet. So I'll create a new PHP folder. I'll go inside that folder. I'll create a new text document. And I'll give the file name as hello.php. Hit enter. Click on yes. And now I'll just write a simple PHP code snippet. So I'll just write, first give an angular bracket and close that angular bracket, and I'll just simply echo hello world. So just save this file and now you go back to your PHP folder, type cmd over here and hit enter. That's going to open your command prompt right at this location. And now to run this PHP file, just simply type php space the name of your file, which is hello.php. So hello.php and hit enter, and that's going to give you the output on your console. So that's how you install latest version of PHP and can immediately start working on your PHP projects locally on your system. I highly recommend you to follow our geekyscript.com official website. Here you can search for any tutorial you want. I'll search with PHP and you can immediately see all these tutorials are available, starting from PHP for beginners or PHP backend development tutorial and all that you can see. So you can click any of this tutorial and you can immediately get this detailed course that I have created for you. So you can click any of the article and you can check those tutorials as well. And the best part is I have also created an online compiler. So you can go there and you can switch to any programming language you want and you can run that code for completely free using this online compiler. So for example, I'll switch to PHP. You can see we have this code snippet. You click on this run button and it's going to start running and compiling, and on our terminal output it's going to give you the output. So if you're facing any difficulty to set up your Python or any other language like PHP, Java or anything, you can use this compiler. You can also get different examples also like arrays and loops or object-oriented programming example. You can switch to other languages as well. So you can check out this entire resource that I have created on geekyscript.com. We also have interactive lab as well. With that you will get live simulation. So for example, if I want to add something to this circular linked list, I'll click on append and it is rightly added. I can remove the first one and 15 will be gone. Similar to that, I have hundreds of these simulation lab. You can see bubble shot, selection shot, march shot and all that. So you click on play and you can see how this execution of this code is actually happening along with the live visualization. So do check our resource geekyscript.com. That's going to really help you to learn more about programming. So that is basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.